Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a currency bundling machine works step by step. First, the process begins when counted banknotes are loaded into the feed tray. The operator places a neat stack of notes into the machine so the bundling process can begin smoothly. Next, the bundle size is set using the control panel. The operator selects the required number of notes per bundle, along with the strap type and other machine settings. After that, the machine aligns the notes properly. It straightens the stack and positions the banknotes evenly so the final bundle looks neat and professional. Then, the compression unit presses the stack of notes tightly together. This step is important because it keeps the notes firm, compact, and ready for secure strapping. Next, the banding or strapping section applies a paper band or plastic strap around the compressed bundle. This strap holds the notes together and prevents them from becoming loose. After the strap is applied, the bundle is sealed. The machine uses heat or adhesive to secure the strap firmly, making sure the bundle stays tight during handling, storage, or transport. Then, the finished bundle comes out through the output tray. The completed currency bundle is released from the machine and is ready for collection by the operator. After that, the bundle is ready for storage or further cash handling. The strap notes can be placed in cash boxes, vaults, counting rooms, or prepared for transport. Moreover, a currency bundling machine helps create neat note bundles, compresses, and straps cash securely, improves speed and accuracy, and makes cash easier to store and move. Finally, after bundling, the operator checks the bundle quality, makes sure the strap is tight and the notes are aligned, labels or stores the bundles, and prepares them for transport or cash operations. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.